Manufacturing is a relationship. It's a relationship built on trust. When you get first articles from a vendor, they're usually pristine. They're perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. But then you escalate that to manufacturing and production, and all of a sudden, it's like, what happens? You know, these aren't the parts that I ordered the first time. The cool thing about working with 3DO is that the prototyping technology is in fact the same as the production technology. When we give you first articles, they come off of a machine that is also going to be the one that prints the production. So it'll do the next 1,000 parts, the next 5,000 parts. And those parts are going to be exactly the same as the first articles you receive. We stand behind that. 3DO sees this relationship between customer and vendor as more of a partnership. Your line stops if we don't produce parts on time and within a quality metric for you. We know how important it is to your business that we produce parts that are good and work. We facilitate this partnership with our customers through open communication. We do phone calls with customers, engineering design reviews. We're happy to mark up drawings and send them to a customer to make sure that we're all on the same page. When you submit a purchase order for your very first articles, we actually send customers a package to sign off on as a final review point to make sure that we're getting started right. At 3DO, what you order is what you get.